In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. Before we start, just a quick note. In Notion, deleting a Teamspace is done by archiving it. Archiving removes the Teamspace from your active workspace, but keeps the content stored in case you ever need to restore it later, depending on your plan and permissions. This is safer than a permanent delete and is the method Notion provides for cleaning up old or unused Teamspaces. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the section labeled Teamspaces. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll down in the sidebar or hover over the edge to expand it. This is where all of your Teamspaces are listed, such as different departments, projects, or client spaces. Next, find the specific Teamspace you want to remove from your active list. Take a moment to double check that it's really the one you want to archive, especially if multiple Teamspaces have similar names. Once you have confirmed, move your mouse over that Teamspace name. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Those 3 dots represent the More Options menu for that Teamspace. Click on the 3 dots to open the menu. A drop-down will appear with several options related to managing that Teamspace. Look carefully through the list for the option that says Archive Teamspace. This is the control that effectively deletes it from your active view. Go ahead and click Archive Teamspace. When you do this, Notion will usually show a confirmation dialog or message asking you to confirm that you really want to archive this Teamspace. This extra step is helpful to avoid accidents, especially in shared workspaces where many people rely on the same pages and databases. In the confirmation window, review the message so you understand what archiving means in your workspace. If you're sure you want to proceed, click Archive Teamspace again in that confirmation dialog. After you confirm, the Teamspace will disappear from your active Teamspaces list, helping keep your sidebar clean and organized. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can safely remove old or unused Teamspaces from Notion without permanently losing access to their content right away.